Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com. And so when are we going to get into this market? I want to do a quick video here, though I will tell you right up front. If you've not tried Stock Market Mentor, this is a pretty good time to try it right now because the market's changed. I'm changing my approach and I'm changing the things that we're doing on the premium side with respect to quicker trades, focusing more on 59-minute trades, starting to do some short selling analysis and things like that. So I want to keep you in the game, and I could sit here right now and read half a dozen testimonials, emails, posts, whatever you want to call it, from people just today that have done really, really well over the last few weeks. They're just ecstatic. I'm not going to do that because this honestly isn't a marketing video, but I'm just telling you, I can totally help you out. And even if you say, well, I don't want to pay you a damn dime, but hey man, I'll try 30 days on you for free. That's fine. I don't care. I don't keep track of who signs up and who doesn't. So I won't take it personally. Go ahead. Hoodwink me. Take advantage of it. I don't care. But I want to see you, I want you to take advantage of the stuff that I have to offer. That's all I can say. Anyway, so let's get into this. How do we know when it's time to get back in? There are a lot of breadth indicators that are extremely oversold. Very, very, very oversold. Not panic stuff yet, but close. This is a real quick, easy thing that I want to show you. And members, we're talking more specifics, but I just want to give everybody just a general idea of how you can look and see when is the selling pressure after all this time where this thing is down. S&P was down at one point more than 10%. Now it's down not quite that much. But how can we tell when it's time to start getting back in the water? When are we going to get the lift? Easy. Well, kind of easy. Okay. Last time the S&P made a higher high was back here. Ever since that time, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Even when we had this big gap down and then a rally higher, it was a lower high still, and a lower high still. The lows have also been, this was literally a higher low here. This was a higher low. This is an inside day. But what I'm looking at is I'm not really looking at the lows so much because the weird thing about markets is, when they keep hitting lows, they just keep hitting more of them. New lows, new lows, new lows. What I want to know is when are the buyers coming in and the imbalance of, and listen to me because I'm explaining this in a specific way, the imbalance in relative aggressiveness between buyers and sellers has changed. See, all the way down, the sellers have been more aggressive than buyers. As you know, for every stock that's bought, somebody else has sold it. So the whole stupid thing about well, how do you know the market's going up? Well, because there's more buyers than sellers. No, there really aren't. They're just more eager to buy than sellers are eager to sell. What we want to see is a decrease in the eagerness of sellers to sell and an increase in the eagerness of buyers to buy. And you are not going to see that by looking at the lows. You're going to get all these fake outs like this, like that, like that. You're going to get these fake outs. What you're going to be looking at is when are the sellers, when do they have less power than they did yesterday? And so what I want you to look for here is on the SPY 271, on the SPX magically 2692.38. That was the high here. When you see, and I already have this for me. So when this starts getting back above there, that's when you get a sense that, all right, it's time for me to start dipping a toe back in the water on the long side, because at least for the near future, we're going to have a nice lift to the upside. So, okay, hope this helps. Members, I had actually intended to have just a couple different things to say, but I went in decided to go in on some trading tactics and things that are designed to help you improve your trading results in a crappy market like this. So try to take some notes, and I'll see you guys on Monday.